In this series, we cover beginner-friendly flies that are easy to tie and always catch fish on the river or lake. These videos are part of my one-on-one fly tying classes, so they will go into deeper detail on tools, materials, and techniques. If you're interested in a private fly tying class, reach out to me on www.beaverlakeflyfishing.com. Thanks for watching. Good Friday time. This is obviously just a variation of a Clouser Minnow, but it's something that's got a little bit more flash, it's a little bit heavier, a little jiggy action. We're going to use either a 210 or a 140 white UTC. Just start that thread base. Snip the excess. We're going to use the pearl gray strung marabou. Just pop the extra there on the tip and then clean up the edges around the base of the stem. We want to use our thumb and forefinger to just pinch it and pull it, and then we're going to tie it in there opposite the barb. We twist that marabou so we can cut it off a little bit easier, get all those hairs at once, cruise back up towards the top. You want to leave about 1/8 of an inch to start tying in those dumbbell eyes. And again, we're going to use our figure 8 approach here. So we're going to go 4 to 6 times over either side. And then we start our wraps underneath the eyes as well. Go back to our tie-in point. Here we're going to use our flash, so we're using Firefly in silver, a couple strands of it. It's a whole lot easier to tie your flash on if you basically pinch it between your finger and the thread and then just fold it over. Slide it up the thread. It'll put it exactly where you want it to be. And then we're going to use our Palmer chenille, size medium in a pearl gray. And this is what we're going to use obviously as the body. Go up in front of the eye there. I'm going to just use a half hitch and use my full rotary function to just palmer that material up the body. You can go as tight or as loose as you want with these wraps going up the body. If you want a much thinner body, I would definitely go looser on the wraps. We're going to go 1 or 2 wraps with this material just in front of the eyes. And then we're going to tie it off up there. So we're going to snip that excess. We're going to use our eye stub in UV fluorescent pink, just a small section of it. Tie it in there above the eyes and then go right behind and then just pull it over the eyes and pull off the excess. Build up a nice little head there. And then we finish with a whip finish. And that's the Good Friday shad.